And now, that final round. The final round is Rupesh Devarma on the stage, please. The winner of TTAADC presents Tipra Idol Season 1. Guys, a trophy, guys, a guitar, logo, guys, a scooty tie, 1 lakh rupees amount of check, and a scooty. Sengjoto ya pagkaklan ni Navin Bagay. And this is history. From today on, second edition ni bagay, tago tayo buksan, narajoto ready na tong. Sing talik hawo, noroni history wo, tinini yagulo sijaka. Norok asik kosto klayi. Asiksa jorarui, norong the orosopika, noroni talent by, noroni pan by, noroni sirum. Padi, sing tabuk. Our result no naina bagi thamidong. Sini contestants rock, nor ready da, nor ready in kanable. Pai pano, paya pano. Tinini result. Noroni talik hawo, noroni history wo, tinini yagulo sijaka. Norok asik kosto klayi, asik sa jorarui, norok de orosopika, noroni talent by, noroni pan by, noroni sirumung by, noroni rehearse by. Nortini or Sopaka. Sini EMs, Sini MDCs, they Sini former EM Botong. Borobo, Joto Kakali, Sabanarne Sabanariga. Result Abahino non Korka. Semi finale wo, Korok Tam, Taingui, Norok or a Korok Sajona, Nor Sopaka. Korok Batong Nazagawo. Norni Kapal Kaham. Did your result not announced by Sinai? But before that, Sinipaji ready to talk? Narajoto ready now? Are you ready? Thank you. And the result is Tolani Bukakti Gang Chang Sinai. Meheli Devarma on the stage, please. Ingay ang tabuk nui na hartinay sinibus kango MDC Uma Shankar sinibus kango sini bukuk mehelino diri a shokatno yafarna bagi position or run or Bukuk Mehli. Bo. Sixth position. Sung by Baksake. Competition round. Grand finale. Sixth position. Bo Paika. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, Mehli on the sixth position. Sing Jota Yapa Korlane, please. Mankai Sing Tivichi Korlane. Bonnie Logio. Bonnie check. Bonnie check Yaparzangai. Bonnie check Boy Yaparzangai. 5,000 rupees. Check. Thank you so much, Mehli, for that wonderful competition put forward in grand finale. Next, fifth position. Are you ready? Paitongo, Nornibuskango. Contestants, are you ready? Fifth position of Paika, Bukuk, Ishita, Tripura. Thank you. Sunjota Yapakolen, please. And Bono Yapana Bagay, Beni Sokano Yapana Bagay, Ang Nungina Hanai, MLA, Pathanlal Jamatia on the stage. Sunjota Yapakolen, please. Boni Bagay. Takok Tai Bukuk Song. On the fourth position, Belaike Wansung Mani Yagulo. Belaike tough competition Yagulo. Fourth position of Sopaka. Tie. Semi-finale wo Khoroktam tie rakha. Khoroktam equal marks be bar phaika. But finale wo Khorok nei fourth round of Sopaka. So let me announce the names. Priya Jamatia on the stage, please. Next, may I call upon Basran Deberma on the stage, please. May I now call upon the Chief Legal Advisor, Dr. Mohan Jamatia on the stage, please. And CEO of TTAADC, CK Jamatia on the stage, please, sir. Borok Ngai, Sini, fourth position of Sopaka. Borok Kanini Bisingo, Soman numbers, Mama Bagay, Borok Tayo Sopaka. Sunjota Yapakor Lenida Bon Bagay, please. And Takuk Tai Bukuk Song. Tabuk ang non nibuskango announce kanya na idongo. The second runners-up. Second runners-up mane third position of Ninjago. Bonibong nang tabuk non nibuskango announce kaya na. Let me call upon Miss Shushmita Deverma on the stage, second runners-up. May I now call upon the EM of TTAADC ICA department, Shuel Deverma on the stage, please. Dai, Bonnie, check amount of rupees 25,000 along with a guitar. Balai ka hambai? Duglay oi teo sai noi thang pinai. Sini. First runners up. Oh. Bukuk Sushmita. Bukuk Sushmita nini trophies. Bas kango iya parzaka. Sini EM ICA Department and Sports ni besing dikai. Suhail Debarma. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now welcome the first runners-up of tonight's event and a very tough competition. To the winner is Sabo Saidaman. Ready? Sabo. Baksani tik panangi mano. Baksani enya panangi mano. But sing joto ya pakhor le nei joto chir khong le nei. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Rahel Kalo on the stage, please. This is the first runners-up. Rahel Kalo on the stage. Bono ya panabage ang koinai. Sini TTAAD sini ngai EM Fishery Rajesh Tripura. Balai ka hambai. Kaisa trophy. Logio 50,000 rupees check amount. 50,000 rupees. Boni logio kaisa guitar. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our first runners-up. Check amount to rupees 50,000. And Nonibus Kango ang tabuk sini final winner. No announce tayo na itong Piaba. Winner ng sikang tubuglak. Puilang nung inahanay sini TTAAD sini CEM Purno Chandra Jamatia stage of Hanabagi sir, please. And now that final round. The final round is Rupesh Debarma on the stage, please. The winner of TTAADC presents Tipra Idol Season 1. Guys, a trophy. Guys, a guitar. Logio. Guys, a scooty tie. 1 lakh rupees amount of check and a scooty. Sengjoto ya pakhorlan ni Navin Bagay. And this is history from today on. Second edition ni Bagay. Takot ay bohsong. Narjoto ready na tong. Sing Tipra Idol Season 2. Dewa Jan Hai Paine Chalo Sing Tubi Pai Pinai. Takot ay bohsong. Narjoto na hambay narok sing may baksa tini palika. Tay sini contestants no narok belai ke support laika. Pwede sing sini finals don't know sing naranay they borni photo session bo sing thaile nei. Yang buskan pari. Seng tabuk sini final photo session file ini. Takutnya bohong. Tini ni bagai asal nung situn. Norok tini nui manka. Sini bos kango. TTAADC presents Tipra Idol Season 1. Takutnya bohong. Norok. Aba hai keno kubun salar kubun sing no support klai tong di. Tai sing aba hai keno tebo. Kolok kotorangi mana bagai sing no norok logir di. Takutnya bohong. Norok joto na hambai. Bahai ke hamba. Norok sing no belai ke support klai ka. Norok sing no encourage klai ka. Tini ni bagai asal nung situn. Tai norok no obono kaisa announcement klai resinai. Je tini je top 3. Tini ni je top 3. Borok tring ni salo. Oro same stage o. Borok ADC government ni engai borok oro recap painai. So nor jotono kobogi na haro tini no nor ni thane ogo announcement train ni salo top 3 all same stage o train ni salo borok